Nahata. I study in class KG. Today we are going to make a yummy, tasty macaroni salad. Let's get started. We have ingredients: macaroni, sweet corn, carrot. For protein we have paneer, cheese, curd, pepper, salt, and some oregano and a mixing bowl. Let's get. Now some sweet corns, carrot, paneer. Now we are going to do a good mix. Let's add the dressing. Let's make some ingredients. Sorry. Let's add the dressings. Some pepper, some salt, and cheese. Cheese! And now some oregano. Now it's the same time, it's a good mix. Mix. Now let's taste it. Now it's tasting time. It's tasty. I wish I could share with you. Thank you. You try this recipe? If you try this recipe, please let me know. Happy Children's Day, everyone!